In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a white flash transition in Premiere Pro. Let's begin by adding two clips to the timeline to add a white flash transition between. Start by right-clicking in the project panel and selecting New Item, Color Matte, and the color picker pop-up. Pick white color. Make sure you've got that color matte selected in the project panel. Quick tip, use Ctrl+R to tweak the color matte's duration. I'm going to set mine to last for 8 frames, but you can make yours longer if you want your flash to be slower. Drag your color matte clip above your two video clips on the timeline, aiming to align it so that the middle of the color matte overlays the focal point. Next, with your color matte clip selected, navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Position the time indicator at the start of the clip. Ensure the stopwatch icon in front of the opacity property is activated. It should turn blue. Then set the opacity value to 0 to create the initial keyframe. Move the time indicator to the middle of your color matte clip. Increase the opacity to 100 to create your second keyframe. Finally, advance the time indicator to the end of your color matte clip and set the opacity back to 0 to create the ending keyframe. Okay, and now we have our white flash transition. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to hit subscribe button for more content.